I am Dr. Sylvia Ramirez, a Harvard-trained and U.S. board-certified physician, and I'm the Medical and Scientific Director of Cutis Medical Laser Clinic. I've been practicing medicine for over 20 years in the United States and internationally. I grew up in a family of physicians. My dad was the dean of a medical school. He was also chairman of surgery in several departments. My mother was a neonatal intensive care physician, and my grandparents owned a hospital. So I grew up surrounded by medicine, by patients, and by doctors whose primary focus was to make a difference. I remember my dad routinely operating on patients who he knew could not afford the treatment that he was providing. Today, my dad remains one of my heroes. My background has always been in academia, working in public hospitals, publishing papers, conducting health policy research. I worked, for example, with a project with the U.S. government Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services to look at how to improve patient outcomes in very sick patients with kidney disease. I've also done a study in over 25 countries where we looked at ways in which we could improve outcomes of patients on dialysis. Midway through my career as an academic research physician, my husband and I recognized that we could help people seeking to gain self-esteem and self-confidence in other ways. We were both convinced, even in the early years, that we could provide evidence-based services in the field of aesthetic medicine. Given my strong history focusing on evidence-based care and having published numerous papers on improving patient outcomes, we wanted to be a medical clinic that focuses on safety and effectiveness, patient education, and US FDA-cleared products and treatments. Our clinic philosophy is putting the patients first. We believe that providing appropriate treatments can make a difference in our patients' quality of life and overall self-esteem. I'm always passionate in making a difference in people's lives and helping them feel more confident about themselves. Cutis offers a wide range of aesthetic and age management services backed by extensive, rigorous clinical research. We strongly believe that everyone is more inclined to feel more confident about themselves when they look their best, and it is our goal to give our patients the best treatment outcomes. It is very important to me that patients understand their choices and that we can together develop a treatment plan that makes the most sense to them given their stage in life, their personal preferences, and the physical findings. We start by really taking the time to educate our patients about their concerns and possible solutions. Our focus is about making our patients love themselves, helping them to regain their confidence and self-esteem, and also to rediscover the things they love about themselves all over again. And each member of our team strives to do this. I would love to hear from you and to hear about your concerns. Please see our website in order to see our contact details as well as the list of our treatment offerings.